Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of registering for your FTX account. But before that, here's a short description about it. FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange built by traders for traders. FTX offers innovative products including industry-first derivatives, options, volatility products, and leverage tokens. So if you want to find out how you can register for FTX, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app FTX. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then go to settings by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now you'll be able to see an option register. Tap on it. You can either register for FTX US or FTX International. Here I'll be going with FTX US. Now to create an account, you'll have to enter an email address, and after that create a password. Once you do that, you need to tap right here to ensure that you have agreed to the FTX US terms of service and privacy policy. So once you do all of these, tap on register and then follow the further instructions provided. Finally, you'll be registered for FTX account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.